Okay, hi guys, welcome to another wonderful episode of the channel Luculent Views. So, today we would be presenting you the detailed review on the Amazfit GTS 2E Smart watch what we have got. So this is more from a fitness tracker perspective, so let me just quickly get down to the review. So if you see the device, it is quite well made and it is a very beautiful device. It is not that thick, and if you see towards the end, it gets tapered off so that the device gives a very good premium feel in the hand. So let me just quickly zoom in or focus on the particular sensors. So these are the four sensors which would be doing the SpO2 measurement, the pi score calculation, the walking, the gyroscopic, and the stress monitor, etc, etc. And these two towards the end are the magnetic charging clips. So the device is fairly very good, and the material used is nice. This watch strap material looks fairly nice to use on a day-to-day basis. The buckle over here, if you see, these are removable. They have given removable straps which we can remove, and we can upgrade these straps with any other straps which is available right off the website. Although do keep note that in the US, the Amazfit GTS series of watches do come with a free strap, but in India, unfortunately, we are not that lucky to have it. So overall, the feel of the watch is quite nice. That's one thing what I would like you guys to observe. So over here towards the top corner or the bottom corner of the watch, you see there's this small hole. Please note that is not a manufacturing defect, but that is the microphone hole from where you can give offline voice activated commands for this particular smartwatch. Now let me go ahead and switch on these device and give you a little bit of an update. So the device is quite good. The menu is quite easy to see, and if you see that I have not reached my activity goal as of today, it's quite an intuitive view. Most of the devices have it, and this is my heart rate device. You can control the music right now from your device into your mobile, but you must make sure that your mobile application is locked and loaded. Then you have these weather widgets, etc. So this the device overall is quite good, and if the look and feel of this, so you just have these different events, etc. And if I just go on and press the crown once again, you have these different activity goals, your pi score. So this is one of the reasons why I have gotten this device. It is to make sure that my pi score is totally active, but I've not been active greatly for this particular week. And then you have this heart rate, you have the workout, you have activity, stress, SpO2, and weather, music, alarm, events, widgets, etc. So in widgets you get this compass, barometric, altimeter, timer, countdown, etc. So the main thing is you have these different watch faces, etc., which you can select, and there are these loads of different workouts which you can it's pre-programmed. You can just select on it, and it just picks up your heart rate, etc. So it's a wonderful device. So given the price point, this one is quite nice. And if you look at it, I've mainly kept it everything. I've kept it like the heart rate meter and the stress meter, and everything is on in my device. It gives for around 5 days in an entire charge, and the SpO2 measurement is also quite accurate. So but please note that for the SpO2 measurement, you are supposed to wait quite some time. So it's going to take some good 1 or 2 minutes for us to take that measurement. So else the click quality of the crown is quite nice. The widgets are quite useful. It's a compass, altimeter, timer, etc. So overall, if you look at this, the watch looks and feels good. It feels fairly premium. Now please note that this according to me is in the premium watch category, because you are paying around 10,000 for it, including all the discounts. So then there are these different watch faces which are available, which you can just take it from your your application, the Zep app. It's quite intuitive, and it's quite unique. I on the hand, I find my devices, I like my devices to have a complicated watch face. So this particular is one of my favorites, and it just has all the basic details like the day, the distance, the BPM, the kilocalories what I've managed, and the steps what I've done, and the power what it has. So this particular power range, the 21% what you're seeing over here, it's after I've used my watch for around 4 days. So the battery backup is quite nice, because I continuously monitor all my parameters such as stress, SpO2, etc. So each and everything is being monitored. So if you look at my stress, so all day stress rate, this is the duration in which I was not wearing my watch, but if you look at it, my stress is quite high. So that's one of the reasons why I've gotten this watch. So this is a way you can just check when you're feeling overstressed, and accordingly you just relax on a day-to-day basis. You just find out. So this gives out my average high stress on a daily basis, 99, and the lowest is 10. So guys, this is a very good watch when it comes to stress management and stress measuring, because on a day-to-day basis we have multiple diseases which we are getting affected by in our day-to-day lives, and stress is one of the main factors what affects a person's mental health. So overall, if you look at this is a wonderful watch. It has each and everything available right over here in your hands, but at the same time, if you just want, you can just go over to the Zep app, which again is a wonderful app, and you can just measure this. So this is one of the best fitness devices which is available on the market right now for around 10,000 bucks. Do know that I will not be comparing this with again the Apple iWatch, because that is around at least 3.5 to 4 times as costly as this. And you have these different activity measurement, workout measurements, etc., which is directly there over here. And if you need a detailed breakout, you can always go on to the mobile application, which is again quite nice. So this watch overall is a very good upgrade from the fitness tracker. Maybe if you're moving on from a MI band 5 or MI band 4, etc. So this one overall is a very good device. The quality of construction is good, the measurement is quite accurate. I just did have a few false alarms, that is a few phone calls could not come into the device, that although this device was connected to the mobile, but other than that, again, this device is very wonderful, and it is very it looks very premium. And honestly, take note, this again would not be a replacement to your Samsung Galaxy smartwatch or your Apple Watch, but at this price stage, this is one of the best devices what money can get you. And for 5 days continuous battery backup, with includes a lot of readings of heart rate, workout, stress monitoring, etc., this device is being fairly performing quite nice, with a battery charge time of 2 hours. And also this has these offline voice commands which you can just activate by just moving your arm once, twice like that, and that just show up recording option over here. So that is quite good. And this device is as of now a value proportion addition to the list of gadgets what I have with me on the smart front. And from this you can just lock this screen, and you have these you just press the crown for some time, it unlocks. You have this quick feature which also gives you torchlight, etc., so which is really good in the night. So this is it's quite a good device, and I think fairly it's a good upgrade what you have from your normal watch. So the Amazfit GTS 2E, green moss color variant is a good addition. So guys, please continue to keep liking my videos. For more information, I would be posting a few more updates in a few days with regards to the Zeb app, how it works, how the interface is, etc. And please kindly subscribe to my channel to have more updates on the value for money smart gadgets and normal gadgets in the market. Thank you.